Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a bold Indian fusion breakfast you are going to love. Egg Bhurji Bruschetta, spicy buttery egg bhurji on a crispy sourdough. Finish with a yogurt and mint chutney. Let's get started. In a medium hot pan, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 cube of butter once melted. Add 2 finely chopped green chilies and 1 small chopped onion. Cook this on a medium heat for about 5 minutes until the onion turns soft and slightly golden. Now add a half teaspoon of ginger paste, half teaspoon of garlic paste. Cook until the oil starts separating and the raw smell disappears. Now next add 2 tomatoes crushed or finely chopped. Cook until the tomatoes break down and form a thick masala. Now add the spices, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix everything well. Cook the masala for another 5 minutes until rich and glossy. Now beat your eggs. I am using 6 eggs. Now add beaten eggs directly into the pan. Lower the heat, start mixing slowly. Gently combine the eggs with the onion tomato masala. Keep stirring until the eggs become slightly dry but still soft, not too runny and not overcooked. Finish with half a lemon juice and generous handful of fresh cilantro on top. After everything mixed well and done beautifully, turn off the heat. Now for the bruschetta base, toast sourdough bread in 1 cube of butter, add a quarter teaspoon of garlic paste, quarter teaspoon of olive oil, salt, pepper and a handful of Italian herbs. Toast until golden, crispy, brown, aromatic. Now it's time to assemble. Spoon the hot egg bhurji generously over the toasted sourdough bread. Drizzle with a yogurt mint chutney on top and garnish with more cilantro. And that's it. Egg Bhurji Bruschetta, Indian comfort food with a global twist. Crispy on the outside, soft and spicy on the inside. This is comfort food with a fusion twist. Perfect for slow mornings, quick dinners. If you try this, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and follow for more recipes like this. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.